Hanji, welcome back to our channel VFX Forge. So today we are going to see how we can create particles disintegration effect inside Houdini. So without talking much, let's jump into the video. Okay, so just let's start our class. Okay, so first we will take one geometry node here as we always do. Okay, and we'll go inside that, and we have to take one file node here. Okay, with the file node we will import our geometry here. Okay, just click on the file node and go to the geometry file area and just hit on the choosing button and just click on your geometry and accept, and your geometry will be imported in your Houdini. Okay, like this. Okay, now you are seeing that my geometry is really very big. We have to resize it, and how we can resize it, just with the help of one node. You don't have to transform here. Okay, we have to use one node, that is the mass size. Okay, here we have one node that name is mass size, and we'll connect to it. Just hit the display button here, and we can remove and we can type the target size in which we have to resize it. Okay, and here I am just typing 2 and 2. Okay, this is the target box area in which our geometry will be resized. Okay, and just hitting on the scale button, you will see my geometry is resized, and now here I can see here my geometry is resized here, and it is now small. Okay, after that I have to translate it. Okay, for that I am using the transform node here. Just connect to it. Okay, and we'll press 90 and we'll rotate it like this. After that, what we have to do, just I'm going to tilt my geometry like this. Okay, you can use the scroll button, and with the help of that you can tilt your geometry like this. Okay, in the x-axis. Okay, after that what we have to do, we have to just remove our base from here. Okay, because we are going to work only on our blade area. Okay, not in the base area, so we have to remove our base size. Okay, for removing it we are going to use one node, that is the blast node here. Okay, I'm using the blast node, and after taking it, just connect to it and just hit the display button. After hitting the display button, you will see nothing here. Okay, because we have to choose the groups which we are going to delete. Okay, if you don't know what is group, okay, what is how you can create the groups inside Houdini, so go and see my earlier classes. In that I have told you how you can create the groups and what is group and how you can make the groups. Okay, so after that you can see this class. Okay, just we will hit the groups which we want to delete. Okay, for example, I want to delete the base area, so we can hit the group in which our base is visible like this, and you can see all my base area is going to delete here. As you can see, my all the base is removed, and only I am now getting the blade area of my sword. Okay, after that what I'll do, I'll just take a copy of this like this. Just just press Ctrl C here and just press Ctrl V. You will take a copy of this, and I want the base area here. Okay, because at the end we will merge both the blade area and base area, so that we have to take our base area also here. So after taking it, we have just want to click or delete not selected here. After clicking on delete not selected, we will get our base area. Okay, because it is the copy of this, so just after hitting the delete or not selected, our base area will be here only. Okay, after that we have to name it. So for naming it, we will take one null and we will connect to it. Okay, we will give him a name, that is the base sword. Okay, after that what we will do, just make some room here, and after that we will go to our blade area. Okay, as you can see, when we will go to the node info area, you will see we have unwanted primitives and unwanted polygons here, unwanted vertex attributes here. We have to delete that because we don't want this much data. okay, store in our blade area, because it will get heavy at the end. Okay, so for not making that much heavy onto our PC, so what we will do, we will just remove our unwanted polygons, primitives, attributes, everything from here. Okay, we will only want our UV and UV attributes and our normals. Okay, so for removing it, what we will take one node that name is clean, sorry, and we will take that node and just connect to it. Okay, after connecting to our blast, we will hit the display and just clicking on our clean, we will see here we have the remove attributes and remove groups. We will click on that, remove groups and remove attributes. After that, you will see our attributes have been removed, but we have to take the UV and normals from above. Okay, so for that, what we will do, we will just come to our remove attributes area and we will just type comma, and we will take one UV here and space, again we will type N. Okay, when we go again into the node info, you will see the in vertex attributes we have our normals and we have our UVs. Okay, after that, for this class I will keep this class for this much only. Okay, I want you to take your geometry, you choose your geometry on which you want to do this particle simulation effect, and we will meet in our next class with our particles. Okay, I want you to just set up your geometry like this. Okay, because in next class we will see how the particle is gonna work in our classes. Okay, so I think you have learned something from this class. Okay, and I'm going to release the next part of this on coming Tuesday. Okay, so I'm going to post my classes regular now. Okay, on Tuesday and Saturday, you can follow it along with it. Okay, so for this class I'll keep this much only. Okay, I just wanted to create this class to know you that we are going to head up for a series. Okay, for this particle simulation series. Okay, in which I'm going to tell you about this, how you can create the particles. Okay, and for this class I just want you to choose your geometry on which you want to make your particles disintegration effect. Okay, just choose your geometry and just head up to these base procedures. Okay, and we'll meet you in the next class. Okay, so for this class this much is enough. I'll meet you in another class. Till then, keep creating and stay positive. Bye bye.